Slow changes in the next few days, but nevertheless noticeable ones and fairly important ones. It all hinges on the battle between the high pressure over Scandinavia and low pressure to the west of us, which will win and which will give ground. The answer probably is that neither is going to win or give ground in the next few days, but we will find that the low pressure gets more intense to the southwest of us, packs in the isobars, so the most noticeable feature is that it is going to get windy. In fact, that process is going to happen tonight and through tomorrow. More isobars packing in here, an indication that the winds coming in from the east or the southeast are going to get steadily stronger and stronger, and that'll take the top off the temperature. If it's cloud and rain you're after, then it's the eastern part of Europe really where the weather's most unsettled at the moment. But there is some cloud and rain coming into parts of western Spain and Portugal, but over most of the British Isles and across into France it's clear skies. So it's clear skies this evening and clear skies tonight just about everywhere. A little bit of mist around in some central and eastern areas, but not as thick as it was the last couple of nights, and some mist and low cloud rolling onto some of those coasts as well, and those winds continuing to freshen, more particularly in the west where the winds could be not far off gale force. But the wind's going to hold the temperature up at least. Lowest temperature is 7 or 8 degrees, so not as chilly as it has been just recently. There's tomorrow's chart, the same sort of thing, the high pressure here, the low pressure and the weather front held at bay out there on the Atlantic. We start the day rather grey and murky along some of those eastern coasts, but I think the sun should get through, and then most places are going to have another dry day with once again a good deal of sunshine. A little bit of cloud perhaps continuing to filter onto some of those eastern coasts, especially northeast Scotland and the Northern Isles. Rather more cloud across Northern Ireland and the far southwest of England, but it'll still be bright there. There'll still be some sunshine, although come the end of the day in the Isles of Scilly perhaps that cloud could have thickened up enough to just give a spot or two of rain. With the winds, it's going to be a little bit cooler than it was today. Pleasant enough, nevertheless, up to 20 or 21 degrees. But along the east coast, I think that's where you'll notice it certainly on the chilly side. There's Wednesday's chart, which is again very similar, but a subtle change again in that the cloud along that eastern coast may well become a little bit thicker, both on Wednesday and on Thursday, just giving one or two lightish showers, but most places will be dry with further sunshine. A very good evening to you.